So we start off today's video with this first DIY. Looks like she's making one of those knot style pillows here. Well, that's cute. Very cool. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be heading back to TikTok, checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So here we have someone doing a mirror inspired DIY. So you just pretty much need a mirror and some rope for this project. And I like how she did like this cool bohemian diamond shape. Very cool. And then we are at the thrift store. So this is Flip Daddy. She has some amazing flips that she likes to do with furniture on her TikTok. So she's going to be using tile in order to do this particular project. Oh, that came out so cool. I love the fact that this is white. I haven't seen it with a white tile before, and she did circle instead of square. Very cool idea. And then we have another DIY. This one is very simple. You don't have to worry about spray painting it or anything. You're just basically putting the two pieces together and doing like that whole pedestal trend. And then here's an easy hack for Elmer's glue. This just makes like your decor look a little bit more aesthetic. Now I thought that these coasters were really cool. I've never seen this being done before. Very interesting technique. Temporary tattoos on the tile to make the coasters. Very cool idea. And this is a hack for cleaning your stairway. I think that this is really clever because it is very hard to clean off the railing. So I think that this idea is genius. So one of the trends that I've also been seeing on TikTok is the painting of furniture. Still not sure how I feel about this trend, but this turquoise looks so beautiful. I mean, this paint just looks amazing. 3 coats of chalk paint for this. Crazy. And then we have an organizer. So this is a pretty cool idea. Nice little entryway DIY. Now, obviously, this isn't a beginner-friendly project because you need to know how to work with the wood. You need to be able to cut it, get the measurements just right. But I still think if you know what you're doing, like you're a little bit more on the advanced side, this would be a cool project to attempt to do. And then we have this really cute mint green table DIY. So this is really fun. I love how you can just buy your own furniture pieces, get them like basic, and then upgrade them into something a little bit more high-end. It's just such a cool idea. Also, this mint green color is very unique. So painting it and making it your own is definitely cool. And then we have the cylinder block table DIY. Now this is really interesting. So she takes the cylinder blocks and then adds this piece of wood to the top, and bam, look how cute that is. I love it. Followed by this sun and this moon light. Very cool. And then we have an action DIY. So they have some puck lights here. Oh, I wonder if they're making wall sconces. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Those look amazing. Very cool. All right, so then we have some pillows here. She grabbed the camera. That's so cute. Pillow mirrors. I'm not sure how I feel about that DIY. It's definitely something I've never seen before. What do you guys think of this one? So I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.